Alright, you can see I started the video off a little bit different. You can see I've got the Element behind me. I've been driving it all week, so I guess you could say it passed its inspection. And I dropped it off on Tuesday, that was the last video. And Wednesday I got a phone call and she passed inspection and everything went fine. I've been driving it ever since. I haven't touched my other truck and just been enjoying it. There's a couple little issues, so I'm not sure if I'm going to get to fixing them in this video or not, but I can't leave nothing stock, so this is the finale of the crash rebuild, so let's take a look at her. So, I just wanted to do something different in the video. She looks alright. There's a couple little things I want to address. Maybe we'll fix them, like I said, maybe we'll fix them in this video. But first things first, I need tint. I've been driving it around and I've been squinting, and that's the only thing I hate. I don't know how I ever drove without tint before, but I'm going to try and get that done this week. The rear sway bar is clunking in the back, so I think I'm either going to tape it or get new bushings for it. That's not an issue. In the front, something's squeaking. They told me that the front sway bar end links were a little worn, so I might replace those. But something's squeaking. It's either that or it's the top hats of the struts. But that's really it. The dash lights on the dashboard, they're little bulbs are all burnt. I ordered a set of those, so that's got to get fixed too. But other than that, she's been doing pretty good for me. More fuel efficient than some of my truck. I haven't done an MPG test yet or anything like that, but so far it seems like it's way more fuel efficient than my pickup is. There's one bolt broken out of the license plate. I got to get something to hold that in there. But other than that, I'm really stoked on this thing, and just wanted to take her out. Take the Element out in the elements. Okay, I might do a little bit of a tune-up on this thing, change the spark plugs, stuff like that. But like I said, I got the dash lights to fix. Gotta get rid of that clunking in the back. Might just wrap electrical tape around the sway bar or get new bushings for it. Haven't decided. Gotta investigate the front end squeak, but everything else is fine on it. Tint is probably gonna happen this week. I can't stand this. I don't want people to see me. I can't deal with it. The sun's bothering me. I need a visor across the windshield. Like I do this in a couple of my other videos. I like to break down the cost of stuff and tell you how much I have everything paid out for. Some other YouTube channels don't do that. So I don't have the exact bills in front of me. I did the math this morning and I know exactly how much I have total into everything. So first thing, the cost of the vehicle from CoPart was roughly $1,430-ish. That was with the $1,000 I bid, and then the rest was fees. I replaced I have one invoice from the junkyard. It was the knuckle, the whole trailing arm assembly, the tail light, the plastic quarter panel, and some other plastic little pieces and stuff like that. And that was like $150 for like the knuckle and everything, with because they charged me for a rotor, and then the other stuff was another like $40-50. And then I couldn't take the whole total of the invoice because I bought a rear end too, but the quarter panel I put on was like $45. Yeah, it was $42 with $3 course, so $45 quarter panel. They charged me $14 for the glass, and that's what's on here. And then the enhanced inspection was $150, Then I had to pay tax, tags, and all that for this thing. So the tags, the tax, the plate, I had to buy a new plate, and that came out to like $390. The total cost of the vehicle is $2,040. Plus, I found one other thing for like seam sealer, paint, window urethane and shit like that. That came out to like $63. So all said and done, including tax, title, everything, is $2,100, almost down to the dollar. So $2,100 for everything. Usually I don't include the tax and the tag and everything like that, but I have a perfectly running, driving, rebuilt, titled car now for $2,100. And if you look for these things for sale in my area, they're, with this mileage on it, they're roughly going for between $4,000 and $5,000. So I think I came out ahead. I was looking at one, the guy wanted $2,000 for it, but it needed a transmission, and it had almost 200,000 miles on it. I see them for $3,500 to $4,000 with 400,000 on them, from 250 to 400,000 miles on it, which is absolutely ridiculous. This has 145 on it, and I'm happy with it. Seeing the mileage on some of those other ones, I think this thing's gonna last a while. Whether I have it that long or not, that's a whole nother thing. But I really hope you guys enjoyed this series. I don't want to say it was fun, but I think I got a little ahead of myself on this project, and I got a little bit deeper into it than I thought I was gonna have to. But I didn't come in upside down on this, so that's fine. Stay tuned for what else I'm going to do to this thing. I can't leave anything alone, can't leave anything stock, so I'm going to have to do something to it. That's just me. But I have other projects coming up, so let me know what you want to see. I'm thinking about doing some work to the Studebaker, if you want to see that. I want to kind of maybe fix the RX-7 or just get rid of it and start something new. There's a couple other things. Summer's coming. I got to work on my motorcycle, my boat, and then there's going to be some more winter coming, so there might be another working on the plow truck and plowing video. So stay tuned, subscribe if you haven't already, and like the video if you liked it, give it a thumbs up and comment, ask me a question. Thanks.